The Ring Battery Doorbell, 2024 release, is an excellent upgrade for home security, offering head-to-toe video, live view with two-way talk, and motion detection and alerts to keep you connected to your front door from anywhere. With its Venetian bronze and satin nickel color options, it blends well with different home styles while providing essential security features. One of the standout features is its head-to-toe video, which ensures you get a full view of visitors, packages, and any movement near your door. The 1080p HD video quality is sharp, and the enhanced night vision makes it reliable even in low light conditions. With live view and two-way talk, you can see and speak to anyone at your door directly from your phone, tablet, or Echo device, adding convenience and security. The motion detection and alerts system is highly responsive, notifying you when someone approaches your home. You can adjust the motion zones to reduce unnecessary alerts, making it a smart and efficient feature. Since it's battery-powered, installation is simple and requires no wiring, making it perfect for renters or homeowners looking for an easy setup. Another great benefit is its compatibility with Alexa, allowing for voice control and integration with other smart home devices. You can even opt for Ring Protect plan for additional cloud storage and advanced security features. Right now, with the big spring sale at 45% off, it's a great time to upgrade your home security. Don't miss out on this limited time deal. If you want to grab one for yourself, check out the link in the description below.